Ever found yourself torn between wanting to give a thoughtful Christmas gift and not wanting to break the bank? It's a common struggle, trying to balance the desire to show love and appreciation with the reality of a budget constraint. This tension can make the joyous season feel a bit daunting. But guess what? You're definitely not alone in this. So take a deep breath and get ready, because we've got some wonderful, affordable, and thoughtful Christmas gift ideas lined up for you. Well, you're not alone, and we've got some great solutions for you. First on our list, DIY gifts. Yes, that's right, do it yourself. There's something incredibly special about receiving a gift that someone has put their heart, time, and creativity into. Not only are DIY gifts a great way to save some cash, but they also add a personal touch that you simply can't buy. Let's delve into some DIY gift ideas that are both affordable and thoughtful. One of the easiest and most customizable DIY gifts to make are homemade candles. With just a few simple ingredients, wax, a wick, and your choice of essential oils, you can create a cozy, aromatic gift that's perfect for setting a festive atmosphere. And the best part? It's a gift that will continue to give long after the holiday season is past. Another heartfelt DIY gift idea is a homemade photo album. In this digital age, having tangible photos to flip through can feel extra special. Gather some of your favorite pictures, perhaps capturing moments you've shared with the person you're gifting it to, and compile them into a beautiful album. This is a gift that they can treasure and look back on for years to come. Or how about personalized ornaments? These can be as simple or as elaborate as you'd like. From painting a ceramic ornament to crafting a miniature felt stocking, the possibilities are endless. And every time the recipient hangs the ornament on their tree, they'll be reminded of you and your thoughtful gift. Don't forget, the beauty of DIY gifts lies in their individuality. Each one is unique, just like the person you're giving it to. So don't worry if it's not perfect. It's the thought and effort that truly counts. And there you have it, a few DIY gift ideas that are not only easy on the pocket, but also filled with love and thoughtfulness. So for a gift that's light on the wallet but heavy on sentiment, DIY could be your answer. Moving on, our second idea is for the bookworms out there, books and novels. Now some might argue that gifting a book is old school, but we believe that it's a classic that never goes out of style. Books can be an affordable yet thoughtful gift, especially if you know the recipient's taste. They can transport us to different worlds, introduce us to new ideas, and broaden our horizons, all from the comfort of our own homes. Imagine gifting someone the opportunity to visit magical realms, solve intricate mysteries, or walk down the memory lanes of historical events. Picture them curled up on a cold winter night, sipping hot cocoa, and diving into a world spun by words. That's the magic of books, and it's a gift that keeps on giving. But what about the cost, you might wonder? Well, you'd be surprised to know that you can find fantastic reads at a fraction of the retail price. Secondhand bookstores are treasure troves waiting to be explored. They carry everything from vintage classics to recent bestsellers, all at a discounted price. Plus, there's a certain charm in pre-loved books, don't you think? The worn-out edges, the faded covers, the scent of old paper. Each book carries a story within a story. If physical stores aren't your thing, or you're simply running short on time, don't worry. The internet has got you covered. Online platforms often offer impressive deals, especially during the holiday season. Some even provide free shipping, making your book shopping experience all the more convenient and affordable. The key to nailing this gift idea is knowing the recipient's taste. If they're into mystery, thrillers might be the way to go. If they love history, a well-researched biography could make their day. And if they're into fantasy, a book from an acclaimed series could be the perfect choice. Remember, giving a book is like sharing a piece of your soul. It's a way of saying, here's a world I enjoyed, a journey I cherished, and now I want you to experience it too. It's personal, it's thoughtful, and it's a treasure that lasts a lifetime. Next up, a safe but effective option, gift cards. Now don't roll your eyes just yet. We're not talking about those generic one-size-fits-all cards. We're talking about personalized, thoughtful gift cards that show you know your loved one's tastes. Consider this. Your cousin loves Italian cuisine, but you're unsure which specific pasta maker or gourmet ingredients she'd prefer. Why not give her a gift card to her favorite Italian restaurant or an online gourmet food store? It's a win-win. She gets to choose what she wants, and you've shown you know her tastes. Or perhaps your best friend is an ardent reader, but determining which book he hasn't read yet is like solving a Rubik's Cube. An e-gift card from a major online bookstore could be the solution. He gets to pick his next read and you've saved yourself from the guesswork. But it doesn't stop at restaurants and bookstores. Gift cards range from online streaming services for the movie buffs to beauty and wellness stores for those who love a little self-care. You can even find gift cards for experiences like cooking classes, yoga sessions, or wine tasting events. The beauty of gift cards is their versatility. They allow your loved ones to choose exactly what they want while still showing that you've put thought and effort into their gift. So, when in doubt, a gift card could be your saving grace. Our fourth idea is a modern classic: subscription services. You heard it right, folks. In the age of digital consumption, subscription services have become the go-to for many, offering a vast array of entertainment and learning opportunities. Let's talk about some affordable options that make for fantastic gifts. One of the most popular choices is streaming services. Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus, for instance, offer a treasure trove of movies and series. Imagine the excitement of your loved ones as they explore new worlds, laugh at hilarious comedies, or bite their nails during suspenseful thrillers. And the best part is, this gift lasts for a whole year, not just a day. But it's not all about TV shows and movies. How about a Spotify or Apple Music subscription for the music lovers in your life? They'll be able to listen to their favorite artists, discover new music, and even create their own playlists. It's like gifting them a personal concert they can enjoy anytime, anywhere. For the bookworms, consider a subscription to a monthly book club. Services like Book of the Month or Scribd offer a range of genres and authors. It's a gift that not only entertains but also expands their horizons, sparking new ideas and conversations. And let's not forget about the foodies. A subscription to a meal kit service like HelloFresh or Blue Apron brings the joy of cooking right to their doorstep. They'll get to try new recipes, learn new techniques, and enjoy delicious meals. The beauty of these subscriptions is their flexibility. You can choose the duration that suits your budget, be it 3 months, 6 months, or an entire year. It's the gift that molds itself to your needs, yet consistently delivers enjoyment. Remember, the value of a gift lies not in its price tag, but in the thought and care behind it. Subscription services offer an abundance of experiences, fitting various interests and preferences. They're a testament to the fact that the best gifts are often those that keep on giving. With subscription services, your gift can keep on giving long after the holiday season. So there you have it, folks. Affordable Christmas magic that won't break the bank. We've explored DIY gifts that offer a personal touch, books and novels for the voracious readers, safe bet gifts that never go out of style, and subscription services that keep the joy flowing all year round. Remember, the best gifts are those that are thoughtful, and these ideas certainly tick that box. This Christmas, let's make it special without overspending. It's not about the price tag, it's about the joy, the love, and the togetherness that the holiday season brings. The best gifts are not material possessions, but the memories we create and the love we share. So, get creative, think outside the box, and make this Christmas one to remember. And remember, the spirit of Christmas lies in spreading love and joy, not in extravagant spending. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video and want more tips on managing your finances wisely, don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Latina Finance Queen. Happy holidays, everyone. May your Christmas be filled with love, joy, and lots of savings.